A doctor entered the hospital in a hurry after being called in for an urgent surgery. He answered the call as soon as possible, changed his clothes, and went directly to the surgery block. He found the boy's father pacing in the hall, waiting for the doctor. On seeing him, the father yelled, "Why did you take all this time to come? Don't you know that my son's life is in danger? Don't you have any sense of responsibility?" The doctor smiled and said, "I am sorry. I wasn't in the hospital, and I came as fast as I could after receiving the call, and now I wish you would calm down so that I can do my work." Calm down? What if your son was in this room right now? Would you calm down? If your own son dies while waiting for doctor, then what will you do? Said the father angrily. The doctor smiled again and replied, "We will do our best by God's grace, and you should also pray for your son's healthy life." Giving advices when we are not concerned is so easy, murmured the father. The surgery took some hours, after which the doctor went out happy. "Thank goodness, your son is saved." And without waiting for the father's reply, he carried on his way, running by saying, "If you have any questions, ask the nurse." Why is he so arrogant? He couldn't wait some minutes so that I ask about my son's state, commented the father when seeing the nurse minutes after the doctor left. The nurse answered, tears coming down her face. "His son died yesterday in a road accident. He was at the burial when we called him for your son's surgery. And now that he saved your son's life, he left running to finish his son's burial." Never judge anyone, because you never know how their life is and what they are going through. Here are the meanings of some of the words from the story. Please subscribe to the channel for more such beautiful English stories. Thank you.